Assalamualaikum, future HR leaders. Are you ready to kickstart your new year with new HR certification? So get ready for HR Generalist certification course starting this week at Bahria University. Let me give you the detail of this amazing certification course coming your way. Succeeding as an HR Generalist means mastering a dynamic role. Our program is designed to make you HR superhero your organization needs. It's not just a certification, it's a passport to a world where you make a real impact. From HR processes to a scaling business, we've got it all covered. Learn to avoid common HR mistakes and become strategic HR pro. Gain skill, navigate tough conversation, and add real value to your business. All HR professional, HR generalist, managers, students, fresh graduates looking for that competitive edge in the job market. It's your golden ticket. Fresh graduates, this is an opportunity for you to shine and stand out. With this HR Generalist certification course, you can get competitive advantage over other graduates, making you the top choice for employers. Make 2024 your year. Become certified HR Generalist, ready to conquer any challenge and secure that dream job. Don't miss out starting the new year with a feather on your cap. See you at Bahria University.